Hello guys, we're back with another video. And today's topic in Offer That Laws is that they could have a S10 coming to the game. Right here. Where I got this picture from was Afro King. I really love his YouTube videos. But this is the S10. Supposed to come in the game. I don't know if it will, but yeah. I'm gonna go test my truck out. So, let's go to my map. Now that's my map, roads and highways. I like to go on that map a lot. It's a very fun little map. And I have a police station, 3 gas stations, a construction yard, and like equipment yard.